So I'm here at the Triangle Orthopedic Surgery Center at Briar Creek with Dr. Karimsky. What does orthopedics cover?
Well, orthopedic surgery at our center covers surgery of the shoulder and elbow, the hip and knee, the hand and the wrist, and the foot and the ankle, and soon some spine surgery as well.
So if anybody were to ever need surgery on one of those places, why here and not, in a traditional hospital?
Sure. Well, one of the many advantages that we have at this facility is that we only do orthopedic surgery. So all of our nurses and all of our staff are very familiar with our orthopedic techniques and our equipment, how we set everything up, and et cetera. One of the other advantages that we have is that our wait times are very short, so we bring patients in only as soon as they need to be seen by the anesthesiology team, and as soon as they're stabilized, they can go home after surgery. The doctors are the same, the techniques are the same, however, the cost and the bottom line to the patient are oftentimes significantly lower than they are in a hospital setting.
And tell me about your patient that you've worked with, Michael Hall.
Sure. Mr. Hall is a guy that I've known for a few months now, 40-year-old man who had injured his dominant right thumb with a knife, and he cut a tendon that controlled his flexion as well as both the nerves in his thumb. We brought him here to the surgery center after seeing him in the office, and he had both of his nerves as well as his flexor tendon repaired. And after many months of rehab, he's been able to regain all of his motion.
My name is Michael Hall, and April 13th of this year I had an accident using a table saw at home. Didn't realize how bad it was, went to the local emergency room, and once they temporarily stitched it, they advised that I needed to see an orthopedic surgeon. After that, I contacted Triangle Orthopedics, made an appointment, saw Dr. Karimsky. He introduced the surgical center, and this is where we had my first surgery. I love the new surgical center at Briar Creek. Everybody's friendly. It's a state-of-the-art facility. The nurses, the doctors genuinely care. I just don't think I would be able to have this much flexing and this much movement and use of my thumb for the rest of my life if it wasn't for the care that I received here.
So for more information about the Triangle Orthopedic Surgery Center, go to triangleortho.com.